In this tutorial, I will explain the closeness entity score and demonstrate how to write Java code for closeness entity score. Actually, closeness entity represents how close a node with respect to entire network. In other words, we can say that how long it will take to spread the information from any particular node to the entire graph or all nodes of the graph. To understand the notion of closeness entity score, first we will go through the concept of average distance. Actually, average distance of any node Vi is equal to the distance of node. Suppose we start with node B, then average distance of node B with respect to all other nodes of the graph will be equal to sum of its distance from all other nodes. Here, instead of calculating the simple distance, we use the concept of shortest path. Or geodesic distance. So suppose the geodesic distance from A to B is 1, B to E is 1, C to B to C is 1, C to D is 1, and this is again 1. Then the average path length from B to all other nodes will be like distance AB plus distance BE plus distance BC plus distance BD. Now after that, to calculate the average, we will divide it by n minus 1, where n is the total number of nodes in the graph. So in this case, the average distance of B with respect to all other nodes of the graph will be 1 for this part. Again, for BE and BC it will be 1, 1, and for B and D the shortest path will be a path through B to E and then E to D. So total path length will be 2 divided by total number of node in the graph, which is 5 minus 1. So it is equivalent to so this is the average distance of all any other node or all nodes of the graph from node B. Now we can demonstrate this equation here. J not equal to I means we are not considering the distance from B to B itself, and summation till n means we are going to consider all other nodes in the same graph. Now the closeness entity score is just the inverse of the average distance. So this is the closeness entity score. Now the closeness entity score in this case will be equal to 4 by 5. Now suppose we want to check what will be the closeness entity score of node D in the same graph. Then it will be n minus 1. We will use this formula. Here G, Vi, Vj represents the geodesic distance or shortest path between node Vi and Vj. So it will be equivalent to 5 minus 1 divided by distance of D to C, distance of D to E, distance of D to C is 1 plus distance of D to E is 1 plus distance of D to B. The shortest path will be either from D to C and then C to B, or D to E and then E to B. In both cases it will be equal to 2, and from D to A it is equal to D to E, E to B and B to A, or we can take this path also. Both paths have same length and the shortest path, so it is equal to 3. So in this case it is equivalent to, and so on. Now from the closeness entity score, it is clear that node B is more central node or close to all other nodes in the graph with respect to node D. Similarly, we can calculate the closeness centrality score of node B here also. Here in this case the closeness centrality score of node B will be equal to total number of nodes 5 minus 1 divided by distance from B to A is equal to 1, distance of B to C is equal to 1, distance of B to D. Now suppose all distance are 1 in it, so distance of B to D is 2 plus distance of B to E is 3. So it is again 4 divided by 7. So this is the closeness entity score of node B with respect to entire graph. Similarly, we can calculate all such closeness entity scores. We can identify the closeness entity score of node this, and identify which node are more central, which node is more central in this graph with respect to other nodes. Now, till now we are considering just a directed graph, undirected graph. So if the graph is directed, now suppose this is a directed graph and there is a link from A to B and then B to E, and suppose this is a bidirectional link, this is unidirectional link. So if we are calculating the distance between B to D, then we will have this path. Distance between B to A, there is no path from B to A. In this case, in calculation of such type of cases, generally we consider that distance is infinity, but for programming or to remove the chances of some errors, we can consider it as a very high value, like and so on, and then we can continue the calculations. Now we will demonstrate how to write the code for closeness centrality score using Java. For this, we will use Jung library, Java Universal Network Graph Library, which can be downloaded from this website. Now we will demonstrate how to write Java code for closeness centrality score. This is a Java program which can be downloaded from my website. By using Jung library, we can import some important functions. Actually here this is not function, so we can import some functions, and then the final class is graph algos, and it contains a nested class like mynode and mylink. Mynode stores all the graph nodes, and mylink contains all the graph links or edges. Now to create the graph, we will use this function. First we add the edges. First we will initialize this graph, then initialize the edges, and then add all edges to the graph, then apply some transformer. The transformer function is used to put the weight to the link of the graph. For example, in this figure, in this entire program, we calculated the closeness centrality of score of nodes A, B, C, D, E, F and G from this weighted directed graph. To transfer those weights as weights, we use the transformer. Now this is Jung algorithm to calculate the closeness centrality score. This is the graph demonstration, and this is the final call for function to calculate the closeness centrality score. In the next tutorial, I will capture graph resilience structure, networks, bridges, and influence modeling